So good afternoon students. So this we'll discuss about today stabilization of medicinal agents and prevention from hydrolysis, oxidation and photolytic reactions or photolysis. So these three are the basic more causes of this decomposition of medicinal agents or drugs. With this, let us discuss about the first one, hydrolysis. So what is hydrolysis? How the drugs are hydrolyzed and how to protect them from that particular decomposition. So in the hydrolysis process, the three types of generally hydrolysis occur. One is ester hydrolysis, amide hydrolysis and ring hydrolysis. These three types of hydrolysis occurs. So it is generally this is a common process whenever we are using water in different formulations like emulsion, suspension, syrups, different types of liquid dosage form we are handling water. So due to presence of these, so many additional substances or drugs will be hydrolyzed. So that's why to protect from them, there are different types of techniques there. The first thing is to avoid contact of moisture in particularly for the solid dosage forms. When we are preparing tablet, capsules, powders we are handling, in that cases we need to prevent them from moistures during the formulation, during packaging, during formulation processing. We need to prevent this so that we can prevent the hydrolysis process. Second thing, due to presence of different types of buffer systems, there is a catalytic reaction occurs, which is particularly also hydrolysis. So generally for that, due to specific acid base catalyst, due to general acid base catalysis, this decomposition of drugs will occur. So to prevent that, first thing is you have to optimize the pH of that particular liquid dosage form to prevent the hydrolysis process. The next point is how to protect minimum buffer concentration. As buffer causes this hydrolysis process, we need to prevent this by taking minimum concentration of buffer, or we should not add more amount of buffer in the particular formulation. Next one, altering the dielectric constant by changing the dielectric constant or completely altering the non-solvents, we can prevent the hydrolysis process. Then different addition of different complexing agents also we can prevent this hydrolysis process. Next, coming to most important decomposition process is oxidation. So oxidation generally what will happen due to presence of oxygen, the different formulation will be oxidized and it will be a decomposition procedure. So it is sometimes auto decomposition also occurs due to presence of atmospheric oxygen. So many medicinal agent drugs will be decomposed. So that's why we need to take protection of or prevent this oxidation process by taking different types of parameters. The first thing is we can use antioxidants, different types of antioxidants there like tocopherols, BHT, butylated hydroxytoluene, BHA, butylated hydroxy, aniso, ascorbic acid, propyl gallate. So different types of antioxidants we can add to prevent the oxidation process. And oxidation and hydrolysis both are simultaneously will occur, oxidation and reduction process. So that's why we need to prevent this process by addition of antioxidants. Next one, we can also add different types of chelating agents. With antioxidants, we can add some chelating agents which will make complex with this oxygen. So like ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid, EDTA, then your citric acid, then your tartaric acid. So this type of complexing agents or chelating agents will prevent the oxidation. The next one, pH, optimize the pH of the particular liquid or formulation, we can prevent the oxidation process. And hydrogenation also we can prevent oxidation techniques. And also the main thing, we can protect from light. If we protect from light, because due to presence of atmospheric light also some oxidation reaction occurs. Then coming to the most important part is photolytic reaction or photolysis, and how to prevent these photolytic reactions. So this photolytic reaction means due to presence of light, the substances or medicinal substances will decompose. So this photolytic reaction generally will occur when we are keeping the substances direct sunlight or UV lights. Then what will happen? Due to presence of light, oxidation reduction reaction will occur, ring arrangement modification will occur, and polymerization also sometimes will occur. It is not only uh, decomposition by light only, due to presence of light also some other reactions will occur. Sometimes we will see the color changes of the different types of medicinal substances. So that also one cause of this particular decomposition. And sometimes particular wavelength from that light will be absorbed by the drug, because all the drugs are generally photosensitive and they will absorb particular wavelength. And to prevent that, we need to use different types of techniques from that photolytic reactions. The first most important technique is we have to protect it by using a amber color bottle. Generally we have to prefer those drugs are sensitive to the light, we have to keep it in the amber color bottle so that we can prevent the oxidation. Also we have to keep in a airtight container. Also we have to keep inside the cartoon packaging so that light cannot enter inside that, and sometimes we need to keep it in a dark condition, dark place, so that we can prevent from light and we can prevent from decomposition of different types of substances. So these are the most we can tell processes which are responsible for the decomposition of drugs, like your hydrolysis, oxidation and photolytic reactions. So we need to take care of this type of techniques to prevent this type of hydrolysis or oxidation. It is not only during formulation or processing, during storage also, after finished product also, after its packing also, during storage, these type of products will be decomposed and it will affect the stability of the drugs. We cannot use it for more days. Although in the container it will be written we can use it for 2 years or 3 years, but before that it will be decomposed due to presence of these things. So that's why this type of techniques we need to use to prevent the decomposition of drugs. So in the next class we will discuss about stability testing and accelerated stability testing. Thank you.